students, today we discuss the lesson name is fifth lesson, Biosphere, page number 56. Now human society and environment. How the human societies are greatly changes. Previously, what the hunter gathered onwards to today civilization, peoples are changed. So human society has been integrated to the environment in the process changing it is. Hunter gathered to stone age tools made from the wood, they are the first stage of the human beings. And hunted animals gathered herbs and fruits. And they are learned how to use the fire by lighting sticks to the grass. The first source of energy they are used these fire. Thus began the tale of the human endeavor. A later environment satisfied their needs. Human also began to invest their fear into the nature, the environment around them in order to be able to change their life, their purpose. Thus, the building of the knowledge, the environment, essential part of human beings' interaction with the natural world. So, however, the societies, the human societies are increased, they are developed decade by decade, centuries by centuries. The human societies, most part, need to change and improve their culture and tradition and whatever the prosperous aspects they are increased. So their needs are also increased. That's why when the human beings begin to practice agricultural animal husbandry, they are beginning to change their environment even more. First of all, you can observe for the need of the agricultural lands, they are destroy the forest. Previously, no one not do like that. So many lot of greenery are we can observe. After that one, to the agricultural purpose, destroy the forest. They are use this land, forest land as a agricultural purpose. They are building the cities also have the metals like bronze and for the change of the human interaction environment. So invention of the metals. They are digging the earth layers. These make great stress on the environment. So when the humans are started gathering of the metals, there existed a lot of bad materials on the environment. Before the long period, the people began to build their tanks, storage water, canal, divert to the water through the bamboos. But today, canal systems we are using. Through this construction of the canal system, we digged the earth. We constructed some of the water is not sinked under layer part. We can make one of the seal waste parts. We can constructed. All these things make ground level water sinking levels also decrease. So all the interference of the humans environment is facing a lot of problems. Gradually, human population growth so much the human became the domination of spice on the earth. Such way BC before estimation nearly before Christ 10,000 years back. When the cultivation started, total population of the worldwide is just 40 lakhs. 10,000 years back, and that means before Jesus Christ, you can observe just 40 lakhs people only we can observe. After that, it is spread to 50 crores in 1750. 1750, it is 50 crores. And 1800, 100 crores. 250 crores we can observe 1950. 700 crores today, 2010. More than 2100 by the 2001 year, overall the worldwide population nearly 1000 crore plus means the earth is not enough for the human beings. They need to go to such another planet because of the population. So we can observe this increase of the population create a great pressure on the earth. At the same thing on the resources also. So most part one side pressuring on the environment, and what are the sources are that is available, that one also share with the increasing people also. This process sharpening of the surface of earth a great push into their industrial revolutions and the process of the colonization. Industrial production needs to the raw material on the unprecedented scale and the industries. So like this we can observe most part they are explored systems, digging the earth, tubers and what are the water, searching the material searching, we can understand most part the humans are depending on the environment. Okay, now we can see through this need of industrial sectors of growth of the industrializations, they are polluted and efficiently influent of the different of the gases, such as modern industries transport system almost energy and desert basically form of the coal and petroleum. These fuels also remains of the forest lack of years back burned underground areas. So underground areas, these forest and dead body human beings turned as fossils. They are turned as to crude oil. These are inside of the earth layers. It is a storage. But the burning of the fossils release the large quantity of carbon dioxide and other chemicals like nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, and violent organic compounds, heavy metals. And such they have caused the release of sulfuric, carbonic, nitric acid. Such one they are called as acid rains. These are make a great acid rains are creating because of these are not deposited in the atmosphere when the rains are occurred. That time it is happened. So acid rains are caused to the mingling acid particles in the atmosphere with the rains increase the acid content of the rainwater. In addition of the burning the fuses, we can motor industries really the waste materials such as solid, liquid, gases. The both surface like rivers, underground water also destroyed. The cumulative impact of such pollution gradually poisoning of our environment. How they are environment poisoning we can understand from the global warming in the 9th class, biological science chapter 10th we can understand the water. So that's why the depletion of the resources. Depletion means pressuring and losing. So industrially rapid population growth, urbanization all means of the unpreserved explanation of the natural source like minerals, forest, soil, water, air, all these are sources most stored in the earth by the billion of years back. But these are result of the rapid deforestation, decline in the reserves of minerals and oil and groundwater. Many scientists have to argue that present life is not sustainable. Sustainable means without harming the nature, so we can life is utilized. But today what we can say, all we can dig it ourselves only. We can use ourselves only, but we will not give it any second chance to our next generations. So we can say all the living things have to depending on the environment have to the according to the environment. But the enjoyment of the development of the human began the destroying natures. The commercial activity carried out of the human beings affect of very life, everyone life and matter on the earth. So everyone people life has also depressed and also human beings are affecting it. If these countries like this, the danger is not only for the animals but also human beings. So you can understand it, don't to harm the earth or not to use more and more. Sustainable development means not to stressing on the other sources. Utilize the sources correctly, exactly what was required. Remaining one leave and we have to give it to the next generation. Then only it is possible. Okay, tomorrow new lesson I will start for you. Thank you.